Remember that these katas are simple forms, but they're meant at some point to be broken. All they are is drills. They're a drill with playing cards, but you're meant to shuffle them at any moment. Yeah, see? She's still circling. So if she misses him, she's alive. Even though Cole's hit with that sword, he's going to try to kill her with a third strike. Thumbs up. Left hand in front, right in the back. We're going to come down here for a fake, and then we're going to give a left ski. So you're going to hit, and then take your left hand and push through. Hopefully you hit their head. Can I have a black belt sword person? He's a dodger now. So if I can hit his hands from there, that's good. This. But he's going to back up from here. See how he backs up? And then I hit him in the face. So it's one, he backs up, hit him. Yeah. I'm moving. Backs up, hit. Try that with your friend. I move quick and he's scared by this. When I ski, he's a skilled swordsman, so he knocks that offline. Everyone be in hasso with your sword and deflect the second movement. He really hits it well. Dude, I'm kind of off balance for a split second. Feel the energy of him deflecting here. When you're here, get back into the fight. So I only have a millisecond. Watch what I do. I back up and go into hasso. Tenshi. I gain distance. One. I'm too close here. I don't like this, so I back up and get here. See, everyone do that with your bow. Left shoulder ends up toward them at the end. See it? It's the same thing, but here. Why do I get distance? Because I'm frightened. He's skilled. So the move is here, Yoko Aruki, back into Kamai. Two. Even though I'm moving, even if I move back, so even if I get the footwork right, and I'm like this, he's just overwhelming me. He's faster than I am, so he runs in and kills you. That's your job. A little slower. One, slow. Do this. You're here, you're moving. Let go of the bow and let it slide to the dirt. See? It's a secret. Kukishin secret. See what I'm doing? Hasso no Kamai. Here. What is it setting up? I bet he thought after this, he thought I was going to go here, which is valid. But the Kukishin is deceptive. So after this, I come from under with an age uchi. But you see I'm setting it up? You might even be doing this, and then you drop it and sink at the last second. And then pull back with your right hand for the slop shi, like we did last week. As he comes in, boom, here. Breaking under the wrist. 1, 2, 3. Notice I'm keeping distance. As I slide, I keep moving. Is this a 6 speed? 1, 2, 3. Scary. Try it.
You can't see it.
Can't see it?
I can't see that coming up at me.
Out! Try that. So you feel the wind. It's like the shinobi winds. Think about past masters, ghosts, spirits, infusing us with energy to train. Remember, our job is to keep this arts alive. I don't want to do this via a screen, right? I could go home, we could go home and play Dark Souls and do all of this with buttons, but we are out here doing it. So our job is to keep these arts alive for the sake of the hundreds of people that died to bring us this knowledge. And then it's our job to use it in the 21st century. Everything we do, we have to adapt to modern tools and then eventually unarmed combat. But there's so many secrets in here, and I'm glad that, how many were there tonight?
28.
28 of you are here, pulling these winds in to keep these arts alive. It literally is a cycle. So let's keep up this training, okay?
Yes, sir.
So from here, we're going to salute and respect each other. Domo arigato gozaimasu. Let's go in.